Hello class, this is Jim Cochran. I'm sorry I can't be with you guys today, but I am on a business trip. We're in California and then heading to Cabo for a week. So while you guys are doing this presentation, I'll be laying on the beach drinking shots of tequila, hopefully. So I'm going to do my part of it through YouTube so I can get my full credit, right, Dr. Case? Our organizational overview for our systems analysis and design project is about NOCO, and we do own and operate a diverse group of different business units, and we've been in business for over 75 years, and we provide energy products for all of central and western New York, as well as Toronto, Canada, and down into Pennsylvania. We have a full line of commercial fuels, industrial lubricants, bioproducts, home energy fuels, and heating oil, and we do HVAC installations and service. NOCO also provides natural gas and electric to residential and commercial customers in New York State, and we operate more than 35 NOCO Express convenience stores throughout Western New York. The total NOCO family has approximately 800 employees, and our home office is located in Tonawanda, right on Sheridan Drive. This part of the project is really going to focus on our NOCO repair shop, our shop that's located at 700 Grand Island Boulevard in Tonawanda, and they provide all the repairs and maintenance service to over 180 NOCO vehicles. The repair shop does not provide any services to any other vehicles other than NOCO. This solution is primarily for NOCO use only. There are approximately 50 suppliers that we deal with for purchasing parts and other items, and the IT department for this project is going to consist of 3 people. I will be the director, and I am Jim Cochran. Lisa is going to be our systems analyst, and Jason is going to be our programmer. He's going to do all of our development for us. The organizational chart for the repair shop is broken down by general manager for the business unit that the repair shop comes under for fuels is Jack Catanzaro. Kevin Gallus is our fleet operations manager who reports to Jack, and then Fran Conboy reports to Kevin, who is the repair shop manager. And then Fran has 3 mechanics, Tom Robb, Bill Patterson, and Fred Geis, all of which have at least 20 years experience working with NOCO and fixing our vehicles. The system title that we come up with is RAMS, R-A-M-S, and it stands for a Repair Shop Asset Management System. And the problem statement and the purpose of the project, this is a whole study to examine the factors that contribute to management misunderstanding for the charges for how the shop is currently billing out their services to other business units throughout NOCO. The software that they're using is really kind of siloed, and we don't have any connection in with our back office ERP system, so a lot of the reporting is just movements from that system over into our accounting software, so the operations managers don't see the individual repairs that are being made to vehicles in detail. They just see a line entry of X amount of dollars per month, and that's what they and that's all they see. And it's become a problem for our operations managers because a big portion of their salary is based on how the company does EBITDA, with EBITDA, and it is directly linked to that. So we're holding them accountable for managing expenses, and they really can't tell what vehicles are performing and overusing expenses in the current situation that we have. So we're making this in-house system. It's really just an add-on to our ERP system. It's a Microsoft Dynamics NAV is what the product is called. And this product, the solution that we're coming up with, is going to make the repair costs easily available and visible to all management and operations team. It'll also help out the repair shop so they can be a little bit more efficient in doing these repairs, as well as scheduling out for maintenance repairs. The result is expected to enhance the base asset management software that will better solve the problem, meet the expectations of the users, decrease the repair costs, and provide better schedule control. Some of the constraints that we will experience in this project are really, as most other projects, your three major constraints. Time constraint, the launch window that we're looking to get this completed in may be too short to do an effective job of planning and training when we go with this. To combat this, we will continue to closely monitor the steps that are being outlined in the project planning and status report section of the report and of this presentation. After the launch, we will systematically address other gaps, such as ongoing customer support. Another constraint are money constraints. The budget for this project does not allow us any room for error. We need to be done on time and within the allotted money that we have for this. It's a minimal budget to get this completed and to meet management's expected outcomes. And the third thing are people constraints. Often working with repair shop employees, very, very hardworking and dedicated and hardworking employees, but they don't always see the value in investing money in software solutions. So we're anticipating some resource constraints and are evaluating as we go forward. The main objectives for this project are laid out in our business goals and objectives, and a few of them are to make the repair shop expenses reporting available daily for management and for the operations team. Right now they can get their information at the end of the month when we close the month, so we're looking to have reports available for them daily so they can better manage, if they want to do it daily, better manage their day-to-day operations and repairs of their vehicles. It also will enhance the ability and effectiveness of the mechanics to perform their jobs by increasing scheduled maintenance jobs by 10%. By having a solution that could forecast and schedule maintenance jobs, we feel we could be much more efficient in providing the maintenance on the vehicles that will further delay any other problems that they're having, other breakdowns that they have, more effectively than they have in the past by doing it through an Excel spreadsheet. And then we want to decrease the overall repair expenses in 2012 by $50,000. So a part of that will be performing more regular maintenance on our vehicles. We anticipate that we will reduce the overall repair expense by $50,000 for 2012. And a couple of the other qualitative improvements that we're looking to have is that we will provide with this solution a higher level of data security and availability. The solution that we're providing has an open, flexible, and easy-to-use technology for the mechanics and for the shop manager, and it also facilitates the electronic capture of data at its source. This should minimize the impact to standard business operations within the affected units as we expected. So I think that's really about it for my presentation. Going forward from here now is going to be Lisa and Jason. So I guess, do you guys have any questions? Oh yeah, Jay, what's that question? What'd you have? No, yo, I told you, dos cervezas, una tequila. Jay, I'm sorry, I can't listen to this, man. I gotta go. You guys have fun. It's time for me to hit the beach.